spending hours searching in vain? In this part of the tutorial, we'll show you how effective search statements can save your time and effort. Every day, we use search engines to find answers to our questions. When using these tools, it's important to bear in mind that most are not good at interpreting natural language. Well-constructed search statements help you retrieve more relevant and precise results. Let's look at 3 specific tips for translating your research question into something that search engines can easily interpret. The tips are keywords, synonyms, and phrase searching. Let's apply these to our example research topic. The first tip is to ensure that you only use keywords in your searches. Keywords are terms that carry concepts meaningful to your research question. They're usually nouns or noun phrases. Take a close look at our example topic. Which words are keywords? In this case, Asian, Western, and parenting styles are meaningful to our topic and should all be included in our search statement. In contrast, the rest can be considered as noise words or unimportant words. They are not specific to this topic. As you can see, these words are normally basic verbs, articles, or vague descriptive words. What happens if noise words are included in a search statement? In ProQuest, searching with many noise words leads to a smaller number of search results. This is because the search engine is required to only return results that contain all of the search terms. Relevant articles like this one may be excluded from the result list if you include difference in your search statement, simply because the word difference is not in the record. Now let's introduce our second search tip, using synonyms or similar words in your search statements. English and other languages are rich in synonyms, and different authors may write about the same topic using different vocabulary. Therefore, it's a good idea to brainstorm synonyms for use in your search statement to help ensure you do not overlook relevant results. Advanced search options, like those in ProQuest, allow us to search for multiple synonyms in one search by connecting them with the OR operator. The number of results almost quadruples, and some of these results will likely be relevant to the search topic. Our final tip for this tutorial is phrase searching. By default, search engines treat words in the search statement as individual words. For example, both of these records have the word parenting and styles in the text. Both will match a search for parenting styles, even though record number 1 has nothing to do with the topic. If we instead search for parenting styles, the search engine is instructed to look for these 2 words in the order given. This means that only record number 2 is returned. This works especially well when searching for fixed phrases such as social media or big data. In ProQuest, we can see that when we search for parenting styles as a phrase, the number of results is sharply reduced. While useful, there are 2 situations where phrase searching is unnecessary. First, there is no need to use phrase searching when your keyword is simply a single term. In addition, it is not necessary when searching for highly unique phrases like Hong Kong. Let's take a brief moment to review the 3 search tips that were covered in this video. Here they are applied to another example topic, climate change in Hong Kong. Remember, search is an iterative process, and there is no such thing as a perfect search. As you start your literature review assignment, experiment with different search statements and ask a librarian if you need help.